In the year 2050, the global population is expected to reach nearly 10 billion people. Feeding that many mouths is one of the greatest challenges humanity faces. But what if the solution lies not in more land or more water, but in technology? Today, artificial intelligence, drones, and robotics are transforming the way we grow our food, bringing agriculture into a new era of efficiency and sustainability. In this documentary, we'll explore how these innovations are revolutionizing farming and ask the question, could technology be the future of farming? Let's start with one of the most impactful technologies, artificial intelligence, or AI. From analyzing soil health to predicting crop yields, AI is helping farmers make smarter, faster decisions. Machines that learn from vast amounts of data can now suggest the best time to plant, water, and harvest crops, all with greater precision than any human ever could. Take irrigation, for example. Traditional farming methods waste vast amounts of water. But today, smart irrigation systems powered by AI can sense exactly where water is needed and deliver it only to those areas. The result? Less water wasted, healthier crops, and a more sustainable future for farming. Next, let's talk about autonomous machinery. Imagine tractors that drive themselves, or robots that plant seeds and harvest crops without human intervention. These machines are making farms more efficient by reducing the need for manual labor and allowing farmers to focus on other tasks, like managing data or planning for future harvests. For farmers, this technology isn't just about convenience, it's about survival. As the climate becomes more unpredictable and extreme weather events disrupt traditional farming methods, automation is providing a way to adapt. But one of the most visible advancements in farming is the rise of drones. These small, nimble machines are being used for everything from surveying land to spraying crops with pesticides or fertilizers. In fact, drones can cover far more ground than a human farmer ever could, and they can do it with pinpoint accuracy. Thanks to their ability to capture high-resolution images, drones equipped with AI can even identify problems before they become critical. Whether it's detecting areas where crops are struggling or spotting pests that could devastate a field, farmers can then address these issues immediately, reducing crop loss and increasing yield. With the help of AI, farmers now have access to real-time data on everything from soil composition to weather patterns. This data-driven approach means decisions can be made with incredible accuracy, cutting costs and boosting productivity like never before. But the future of farming isn't just about traditional fields and tractors. In urban areas, indoor and vertical farming are using the latest technology to grow food in controlled environments. These farms use LED lighting, climate control systems, and automated nutrient delivery to grow crops all year round, often with less water and land than outdoor farming. These indoor farms are part of a broader shift toward sustainable, resource-efficient agriculture, a trend that's becoming more critical as climate change alters the landscape of food production. So what does the future hold for farming? In a world where technology is evolving faster than ever before, it's clear that AI, drones, and robotics will play a crucial role in meeting the food demands of tomorrow. By 2050, farming as we know it may look completely different. But one thing remains the same: our dependence on the land and the people who work it. With the help of technology, we just might be able to feed the world without destroying it. If you're as fascinated by the future of farming as we are, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more explorations into the incredible innovations shaping our world.